Hello, an update, and now the rain has decreased. It's 6 p.m. It's still raining. Look, there are a lot of birds in front of the house. A lot of birds because maybe it's about 6. Oh, I just saw they come to eat insects. It's 6 p.m. and there are a lot of insects flying around because of the rain. Oh, look, yeah, I can see them catching. Wow, amazing. There are about 20 birds, and they come and they try to catch some flying ants. Wow, you just got, wow, amazing. It's totally amazing. We are seeing, look, can you see it? Wow. The bird, they are having a great dinner. You can see the, what is it, flying ants, and the birds are feasting. Wow, totally amazing. Okay.